Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Welcome back to EduGuru Daily Current Affairs. In today's session, we will discuss daily MCQ quiz, important national parks, and important international boundary lines. Let's start with quiz. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador or permanent representative of India to the United Nations? Answer T.S. Tirumurti. 13th edition of Aero India will be held at which city? Answer Bangalore. Which state government will set up Deen Dayal committees to ensure benefits of welfare schemes reach people during coronavirus crisis? Answer Madhya Pradesh government. Rishi Kapoor passed away in April 2020. He was related to which field? Rishi Kapoor related to acting. CRISIL has cut its projections for India's economic growth rate to how much percentage from 3.4 percentage it had earlier predicted for 2020-21. Answer 1.8 percentage. Earlier we had discussed about some other organizations predicted India's GDP growth rate. UN, according to UN, 4.8 percentage, Asian Development Bank 4 percentage, ICRA 2 percentage, International Monetary Fund 1.9 percentage, S&P Fitch Solutions 1.8 percentage, World Bank 1.5 to 2.8 percentage, Fitch Ratings 0.8 percentage, Confederation of Indian Industries 0.9 percentage to 1.5 percentage. According to Moody's, earlier it was 2.5 percentage, now the rate cut is 0.2 percentage. According to CRISIL, earlier it was 3.5 percentage, now it predicted to 1.8 percentage. Which state has decided to start neighborhood classes in addition to the ongoing online and televised aided classes to ensure every student get education during lockdown? Answer Government of Tripura. Who has been appointed head coach of the USC cricket team in April 2020? J. Arun Kumar, appointed as head coach of USA cricket team. He is from Karnataka. The Delhi government has launched a website called delhifightscorona.in to provide information on all the COVID-19 related initiatives, which information will be provided by it. All of above. It provides containment zones and also key locations and also testing facilities. It provides all above the information in website. In April 2020, India has extended $150 million foreign currency swap support to which among the following country? Answer Maldives. India has extended $150 million foreign currency with Maldives. The Asian Development Bank has approved provide 346 US dollars million loan for which state to provide better power connection in rural areas? Answer Maharashtra. ADB gives $346 million loan to Maharashtra rural power sector. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Public Enterprises Selection Board for 3 years? Rajiv Kumar. Rajiv Kumar appointed as a Public Enterprises Selection Board for 3 years. Earlier it was Kapil Dev Tripathi. Bimal Julka, Chief Information Officer, Commissioner. Sanjay Kotari, Chief Vigilance Commissioner. External Affairs Minister Jai Shankar has attended the BRICS Foreign Ministers Summit recently. Who is the current chair of BRICS? Answer: Russia. The scientist of which IIT has developed a software which can detect COVID-19 within 5 seconds using X-ray scan of suspected patient? Answer: IIT Roorkee. Who authored the book titled Sahajirao Gaikwad III, Maharaja of Baroda? Answer: Uma Balasubramaniam. The scientists of which Indian institute has developed an Alzheimer's inhibitor called BER-D? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Science Research. That's all today's current affairs. Let's move to static GK. Some important national parks: State Jharkhand National Park, Betla National Park; Karnataka, Anshi National Park, Bandipur National Park, Bannerghatta National Park, Kundermukh National Park, Nagarhole National Park; Kerala State, Anamudi Shola National Park, Iravikulam National Park, Mathikettan Shola National Park, Pambadam Shola National Park, Periyar National Park, Silent Valley National Park. We discuss some important international boundary lines. Durand Line between Pakistan and Afghanistan. McMahon Line in between India and China. Radcliffe Line between India and Pakistan. Line of control, it divides Kashmir between India and Pakistan. Line of actual control between India and China on northern border. Hindenburg Line between Germany and Poland. Ordernance Line between Germany and Poland. Ceasefire Line between Germany and France. Mannerheim Line between Russia and Finland. 24th parallel line between India and Pakistan. That's all for today's current affairs and GK. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.